Alright, y'all, so I got nothing my door. Let's gotta get my package. Oh, thank you. I signed the paper. Okay, so I just got my paper. Thank you. He's speechless because he didn't speak. So I just got myself and it's a slime package. So I can unbox this thing. When I unbox this, I need that. Set up my camera stuff. I'm in my living room, not my room today. Yes. Alright, y'all can see me. Yeah, I just got out of the shower. My knees are itchy. And today is Vlogmas number 2. Comment down below. Do y'all know how to make an intro? Like, please. Please. But yeah, Vlogmas number 2. Ow. Comment down below if y'all ain't have school today. Period. And get this video to 5 likes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, guys. Like I said, get this video to 5 likes, not 10. 5. I know y'all can do it. I just know y'all can do it. I know y'all can do it. So today, let me open this slime package. I already got the box because y'all ain't about to see my address. Some of my friends already know my address, but I got a little bit stuck in my head. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get it out. I'm put it in my hair. Got my face. Alright, so did I put all my slums? Did she put all my slums here? Alright, she put all my slums here. Okay, so this is my hair. Oh my god, she got Fluffer. I love Fluffer, so I'm just gonna keep that. And her theme is Incredibles because she said she liked the bag. And I ordered her from her a couple of times. I don't know the bag keep doing that. I ordered her from a couple of times because I ordered from her before I started YouTube. So let me start that. Yeah. I'm gonna get that out of there. Okay, so I have 3 things, and she put some extra things in here. So thank you. And her, yeah, I'm not gonna tag her because she didn't tell me to tag her or not. So yeah. And she already wrote me a note because she didn't have enough paper. So she wrote me a note on text messages, and I don't know how to edit it, so I can't put it up here, can't put it right here, or I can't put it right here. So yeah, I don't know who wants to see how to edit. So yeah. Alright, so first thing I have is a Incredibles mask. Might wear this for the whole video. If it's ugly, I'm not wearing it, but I give it to my little brother, so yeah. Okay, never mind. Looking cross-eyed, they go. Never mind. Look, I'm cross-eyed. No. They just, alright, because it's like triangles, they just need to cut out, like, open like this a little bit more. Open this a little bit. But yeah. She gave me a Chanel face mask. This was like at Chanel. They sell these things. It was like expensive. Now you want to buy it. So thank you, girl. And the camera's about to die. I don't know why it would keep about to die. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn like down. Okay, because it's like this all the way up. So I'm gonna turn like down a little bit on the camera. Okay. So we about to open one more thing. The last thing. No, it's not some mask. So I have a little plushie she gave me. Little plushie. And a little lip balm. It's a grape soda lip balm. Actually smell like grape soda. That's really good. Cause I'm craving grape soda right now. Cause that. Let's open the slimes. This is not slime. She is dough. I ordered some dough. Not Play-Doh. Dough. She made it out of slime. All she did, I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. She gave me her ingredients. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. I got 3 slimes. I mean, 2 slimes and 1 Play-Doh. Not Play-Doh. 2 slimes, and 1 dough. Okay, 1 dough. I like this because it's metallic. It's cute. So yeah, we're just gonna get this away. Okay, so I'm gonna open this slime first. So it's the thing on the side. It's hard to open. What? with me. Got it with me. Okay. This one is a jiggly slime. That's why I have to break apart. Just that. It smells really good. Wait, it's turning blue. My hand's blue. It's turning my hand blue. I don't know why. So I'm gonna mix that up. So every time I put my hand in there, my hand turns blue something because my hand wasn't just blue. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, guys! The slime fell out of the container, bro. Ooh, that looks like I had. It's still clean, bro. Still clean, but here's the jiggly slime. Whoa, hold up. It's a jiggly slime. I'm trying to take a piece out for y'all. My mother's gonna order something to eat. So I'm doing a mukbang because my brother's birthday today, so I'm doing a mukbang. So here's the slime. And here's the slime, y'all. So, yeah. I'm getting a spicy McChicken, a medium corn frappuccino, and a medium fry. Huh? Okay. I'm not gonna. Alright, here I come. I'm not gonna open this one because it's sticky. Well, it's not that sticky, but it's sticky. See? See what I mean? Okay. So my mom with my camera. She thinks she gonna record our channel. But she wanna record. She only made one video like about her, and that's like a couple months ago. And yeah. I'm trying to open this, guys. I just don't do it so hard like she said. Alright, so here's the dough. It really doesn't stretch that much. I can like fold it. It's like fun to play with. It's kind of hard. It's not kind of hard. And yeah, so here's the dough. It's just, I like the color. Alright, so this color like a metallic pink color. It's metallic. This is a ocean front because it's mixed with light teal and a dark teal. This one's like a baby blue. It's not really a color. It's like teal, but it's not really like it's like white. so yeah, this is the dough. I really like the dough because you can just squeeze it. It crunch a little bit. That's what she said. It pops a little bit. Yeah. But if I don't skip the baby love, like, comment, and subscribe, and period. So yeah, bye. It's like bye. We love you. Peace out.